Good evening, everybody. I just bought a new toy again. This time around, guess what inside? It's Apple AirTag. Let me open it up for you all. Check it out. Ooh, how to open? How to open? Stick. Magic. Come on. Ooh. Yes, get it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Never mind. Today, Apple AirTag. I'm going to open this. Oh, there's a green dot. See? Ooh. Yes. Attack. Okay. What's this? Information guide. Ta! 4-pack. I bought a 4-pack AirTag. Nice. Yay! Let's give you a close-up of the AirTag. This look nice. Does it look nice? Yay! Let me take a one. Show. You hear it goes by gray name. Engraved name. Can see? Ooh. Okay. Let me take this chance to pair with it. Pair one of it. With what? With my phone. It's my phone. And my AirPod. No, not AirPod lah. iPhone Pro Max. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, let me unlock my phone. Oh, before that, I need to pull out the battery label. No, battery label? Battery saver. How I need to pull out? Okay. Pull out. This one. Oh, this protection cover is inside. That's wire. It's here. I have to pull everything. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Is that a sound? Yes. It's coming. It's here. It's out. Yay. Should I press connect? Yeah. Time to choose. bike, camera, handbag. Is that a messenger bag? My custom name. Okay, I name it as a messenger bag. Okay, next step. Where's the messenger bag? Don't have? Oh, that's not the back button. I should press continue. That's the wrong button. Okay, that was correct. Now what's this? Choose as emoji. What the heck? Oh, in that case, I'll get myself a bag emoji. Where is it? Emoji. Very difficult to find. Okay, I search back. Okay, I found it. There's something close. Okay, choose this one. This icon should be. Okay, choose continue. Why I always choose back? Continue. Oops. Okay. Continue. Yes, that. Okay. Continue. Yes. Okay, now what? Resize folding again. It's very done. Yes, that's it. I'm done. Now, go and do. Sure. It's here. Can see? Messenger bag. Oh well. Identify the item. Do I need to identify it? Oh well. No need. Also, I just bought myself an AirTag accessories for my 4-pack AirTag. Let's take a look. Put aside my AirTag first. Check this out. Ah. Okay, 4 of this. Of course I buy 4 because I got 4 AirTag. There you go. Then leather AirTag cover. Close up. Like it? Let's take up one and put it on. long as I'm going to insert the AirTag in. For me to find out. Take out the lanyard. Here, I got space. Right. Still need to take out. Yeah, okay, I take out. Okay. Hopefully I know how to put back. Here's my AirTag. Should I hide it there? Okay. Is this the correct way to put? Never mind. I did show my name. Ellen. Yes, my name. So I should put it properly. Yeah. Okay, does it look nice? Okay, let's put it in. Put it in. Easy to take out, difficult to put in with one hand some more. Okay, I managed to link a loop. Now time to put up. Pull up. Okay, never mind. Something like that. Yeah. Does it look nice? I wonder. Alright. Here goes my video. See you everybody. Till next time. Remember to subscribe my channel. Like and subscribe. Okay? And remember to share my video as well. If you like it. Bye.